All right, everyone, it's Hugh Sweeney here from DroneWorks Ireland, and today I've got a rather cool little unboxing. I'm going to unbox the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo drone. Now, I'm excited about this. Okay, the Mavic 3, it's not exactly brand new, it's out for a while, but at the same time, it's worth unboxing this because it's a fantastic drone. In my opinion, this is still the king of the, compact drones. Of course, you've got the recent Mini 3 and you have the Air 2S, but there's only one Mavic 3 as far as I'm concerned. So I can't wait to unbox this. All I need is this very little knife to make one tiny little slit on that little bit of tape up there, and then I can unbox the whole lot. So firstly, what's in this? Let's just have a quick look. So there's some nice little goodies. Of course, you have the drone itself and then the controllers. Now, it would be nice, of course, to get the RC controller. That might happen down the line. But as of now, there's 2 spare batteries as well as the battery that comes with it. And of course, you have the multi-charger there. There's a bag included as well, which is dead handy. And we have 4 little filters. But I don't want to be looking at them printed in cardboard. I want them in my hands. So let's get straight into it and unbox it. 1, 2, 3. That's all I got to do. Can get rid of that knife now. So I've got another camera angle here, as you can see, and if I go this way, you will see what I have in front of me, what I have in store. Okay, slide it out. That's it. Okay, I'm liking it. It sort of feels a bit like Mac products, as in Apple Mac, doesn't it? As in Apple, right? Very, very nice. This is handy. This is very, very handy. Okay, maybe I actually need the knife again to cut the bag. Let's do a slit. Boom, get rid of the plastic. So here's the bag, a lovely little canvas number, very stylish. Feel that metal buckle, I'm liking that. Now, there's a little diagram here. I don't know if you can see that camera B. It's showing us the what you can do with the bag, okay? Oh man, this bag is rather cool. Look at those buckles on the side. Look at them, wow. That flips up. Unzip it. And inside, you should have the main act itself. Okay, so we have this box here. That just came out of there. We have what looks like the Mavic. And it's got that little sort of harness to keep the props all tied in and stuff. And it's kind of like Hannibal Lecter in that movie, Silence of the Lambs, where they're sort of bringing them off. Okay, so inside the bag, I just love this bag. It is really trendy. This is like a hipster bag. I mean, you could go to a cafe now in, some kind of really trendy part of Dublin or Galway or any city, and you would fit right in with this bag. Okay, so we have 2 batteries. We have the controller, meaty little controller, and we have lots of silica gel satchels, which aren't really of use to me. I'm building up a really big collection of these silica gel. Okay, you don't want to see those. So that's the inside of the bag. I'm very impressed. I am really impressed with the design of this bag, and there's lots of little pockets on that bag. It's really nice. Look at that pocket there as well. My God. Normally, I don't sort of go for bags that come with things. I normally just like to have my own sort of bag kitted out, but this is, I'm not just saying it. This is cool, all right. Now, I will share a secret with you. This is going to be my new drone, okay? So that's why I'm a little bit extra excited about this one. I've been meaning to get my hands on one of these. I'll just make sure I have everything out. Yeah, so anyway, that's the bag. That's the inside of the bag. Really nice. I'm loving that. Can you see that there, camera B? Okay, cool. So the bag can go over here. Oh my God. And the drone itself actually isn't wrapped as such. Not in this version anyway. So yeah, I love this little harness. It's so cool. Okay, there's our lens, our famous lens. dual lens combination with the normal lens, of course, and the zoom lens in there as well. That magnificent zoom lens, which I'm excited to try out. This is magnetic. Oh my God, didn't know that. Let's just balance that up there. Yeah, the Mavic 3, I mean, let's be honest, you know, the other drones are great. The Mini 3, great little drone. Air 2S, fantastic. But there's something about a Mavic 3. I think they're just beautiful. They're just, the color, the styling, the design. They're an awesome little drone. Really nice. And of course we have plastic elements that have to come off. Let's see if you can see those. Here, a little bit of plastic. This has come off there. See, there's another bit there. These little kind of stickers that come with it. There's two on the gimbal here as well. Don't know if I'm picking this up on the camera if it's focused. Oh my God, that's quite sticky, that one. And there's one on the other side. You can see it there, okay. Now there was nothing over the lens. And that is the drone. So at the back as well, a few. Let's get that bad boy off. There it is, the Mavic 3 drone unboxed. What a beautiful piece of equipment that is. That is just a thing of beauty. I'm loving that. I'm loving it. Okay, phone block. Not much use to me. Throw it down on the ground. Here is the charger. The nice little DJI USB charger. Powerful one. This has got more amps than your average mobile phone charger. It's weighty, feels good in the hand. Nice little strap there to keep the cable tied in. I'm liking that. And of course we have the two batteries. So we have battery number 1 here. Absolutely sweet. Battery number 2. Okay, there's our batteries. Nice one. Now, what else do we have? The controls are sort of something I would upgrade to the RC controller, smart controller, which is, I suppose, a little bit more expensive. Okay, so this is the standard controller that comes with it. You do need to use the phone. It's a little bit more inconvenient for the likes of myself, but at the same time, it's handy to have this. It's very compact. It's lighter than the smart controller. It's not that much lighter than the controller that comes with the Mini 3. And we've our little screw-on things that come out of the back there as well. So they go into the... I do hope that you can get this back in the bag with these screwed on, because taking them on and off each time can be slightly annoying. So let's leave that there. So that is the controller, ready to go, ready for my mobile phone. So this is the little sort of parts box. You know, one of these comes with nearly every kind of product these days, where they include the cables and the likes. Here's the Mavic 3 kind of quick start guides, user guides. You don't want to see them. And inside here we have the charging hub, which is 3 batteries at a time. I believe it charges them consecutively. Here we have USB cables for the controller. It's old style USB. There's another cable here. Boom. And then we have lots of props. Lots and lots of props. So inside here is, wow. See that little part there? This looks like, oh yeah, sorry, I totally forgot. These are the filters. Wow. And they've got the sort of Hasselblad logo there. Of course, Hasselblad, bought by DJI. So that is the filters, and then we have the charger here. That's our charger. Very nice. And that will plug in nicely now. That should be pretty cool. Plenty of spare props. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sets of spare props, very good. And there's a spare set of controller joystick knobs as well in there. So that is the unboxing of the DJI Mavic 3. What a fantastic little piece of kit, and I can't wait to get that up in the air. Now, one thing I want to mention here is that if you buy a new drone, or even if you have an existing drone already and you haven't got it insured, you can avail of DroneWorks Ireland's repair refresh system, okay? And to avail of that, all you have to do is pay a set fee up front, depending on what your drone is, obviously, and you're covered then for a year. So if you go out flying and something goes wrong with your drone, you lose control of it, you have a crash, you can avail of either getting the drone repaired or else even a full replacement drone. So for more details on that, get in contact with DroneWorks Ireland. You can visit the website or get on the phone and you can find out exactly what's involved there. It's highly recommended. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so if you want to keep up with what we're doing, and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and feel free to leave a comment down below with any questions you may have in regards to the Mavic 3 or any other drone which is on offer from DroneWorks Ireland. Thanks guys, from me, Hugh Sweeney, until the next video, it's over and out. Take care, bye now.